Yes, now I let about the engine now. Confirm engine. I want you to come and carry my car now.
Well, tight and well,
you don't mount the you don't mount the engine.
We don't mount that.
You just say
if you see the sound,
I don't want to
I hope say you don't tie that thing well. Test them, man.
Test them,
may hear the sound, may you shock am.
I don't want.
Oga, do that, you know.
Oga, the motor never gree dey start.
I tell you, make you do so. Oga, cool down. This is now 21 years of experience for this job. You know go teach me my work. Cool down now.
Listen. What is that?
Oga, wait, man.
You dey craze.
Oga, wait.
Wait, which oil you buy put for this motor?
Wait, man.
For this my Belgian engine.
Boy, where you buy this oil?
Oga, for that junction, Oga farm shop.
Oga, wait.
This idiot, engine one buy 600,000. Now I give this idiot money when you go buy oil for me. Idiots go buy oil from Oga farm.
Wait, you are the owner of this car.
Yes, now.
You are telling me you are in Nigeria and you have not heard about upon engine oil. I'm mistaken now. Even you are a mechanic, so you are in this Nigeria and you are in this Onisha. You have not heard about upon engine oil. You are mistaken. Let me tell you. Go to number 12 Season Biscuit to what here and get your oil. I think I have that. Where's that, my boy? Give me the oil. Idiot. Give me the oil.
Sorry, sir.
See, this is top one engine oil. This is why I call them the best. If you went to their shop before buying any oil, they will ask you which motor are you using the oil for. They actually make every motor have the particular oil for it. So this is what the one I bought for my customer now.
Which one before my motor?
If you go there, you tell them your motor, tell them the year, they will give you the oil. I think I have the listen biscuit to go bobosi. This is my contribution. I have tried for you.
But come now. As you don't see say this thing they bring matter now. Why not give me the oil map for my motor?
If you don't have money to buy oil, you sell your motor and go and buy oil. Reliable engine oil. You no get it party too, no. Top one engine oil. Top one engine oil. Reliable engine oil. You no get it party too, no. Top one engine oil. Top one product.
Oh, see this oil. This now top one be this. Now break gear for this market. If you pour this oil, I hope so you don't come out that useless oil.
Don't come out.
Put this top one oil. Put them now. Man, they say this oil now be #1 for America. So you know about this oil.
I don't hear them, but I don't know where their office is.
Now idiot you be. You don't finish?
Yes.
You don't probably finish? Yes. Come see oil now. Come. What this thing? Where my key? Where my key? Where my key?
Motor.
When I need my key for ignition. Man, see whether this oil work for me now. You said you are buying. I don't see set up one oil na eat now. Collect. No, you come. Collect. I get locked. Now start circles on us. You too big. Papa one engine oil.